Z. Excellent. Once upon a time, there was a girl playing outside with her toy. She saw a big bumblebee. The bee was moving from flower to flower, making a loud buzz, like that. Zzz, zzz, zzz. What does this movement mean, KG? This movement is the action of the letter Z or the sound Z. Make your hand like bee wings and flap them. Zzz, zzz. Make the action with me. Zzz, zzz. Excellent, good job. Now let me show you some words that starts with the letter Z or the sound Z. Zero. Zero. Repeat after me. Zero. Zebra. Zebra. Excellent. Zebra. Zipper. 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 Zoo. 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 Once again. Zero. Zero. Zebra. Zebra. Zoo. Zoo. Zipper. Zipper. KG, remind me, what is this letter? Excellent. This letter is letter Z. But when I ask you what is this sound, you know that the sound is the small case between two slashes. What is this sound? This sound is the sound Z. Z. Make the action with me. Z. Z. Excellent, KG. Now let me show you the positions of the letter Z or the sound Z in some words here. The first word I have, zebra. Zebra. Where I can find the letter Z or the sound Z here? At the beginning of the word. Excellent. At the beginning of the word. Let me show you another word. Lizard. 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 Where I can find the letter Z or the sound Z here? In the middle of the word. Excellent. In the middle of the word. Buzz. 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 Where I can find the letter Z here? At the end of the word. Excellent. At the end of the word. Zipper. 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 Where I can find the sound Z here? At the beginning of the word. Excellent. At the beginning of the word. Puzzle. 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 Where I can find the letter Z or the sound Z here? In the middle of the word. Excellent. In the middle of the word. Quiz. 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 Where I can find the letter Z here? At the end of the word. Excellent, KG. Good job. At the end of the word. Excellent. Zoo. Zoo. Where I can find the letter Z here? At the beginning of the word. Excellent. Good job. Now let me show you how to write the letter Z. But KG, first remind me, when I write between. Excellent. 4 lines. When I write between 4 lines. Here I have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The capital case of letter Z starts from line number 1 to line number 3. And the small case starts from line number 2 to line number 3. Now let me show you how to write it. Left to right, down across, and left to right. Once again, KG. Left to right, down across, left to right. The capital case starts from line number. Excellent. From line number 1 to line number 3. I start from line number 1 and right, left to right, down, across, left to right. This is the capital case or the uppercase of letter Z. Now let me show you how to write the small case or the lower case. I start from line number 2 to line number 3. Left to right, down, across, left to right. By the way, the small case or the lower case have the same shape of the capital case or the uppercase. Once again, KG. Left to right, down, across, left to right. It has the same shape, but I start from the lower case from line number 2 to line number 3. Now, KG, try to write with me letter Z in your notebooks. When I write KG, I write between. Excellent, 4 lines. Here I have 4 lines. The capital case or the uppercase, I start from line number. Excellent, I start from line number 1 to line number 3. And the small case, I start from line number 2 to line number 3. Here I will start from line number 1 to write the capital case of the letter Z. Here I have letter Z, left to right, down, across, left to right. Once again, left to right, down, across, left to right. Good job, KG. Now let's try to write the small case or the lower case of the letter Z. In the small case or in the lower case, I start from line number 2 to line number 3. Here I will start from line number 2. Left to right, down, across, left to right. Once again, left to right, down, across, left to right. It has the same shape of the capital case or the uppercase. Excellent, KG. Good job. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next video, inshallah.